Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive an Audi S3. First, take a moment to get comfortable in the driver's seat. Adjust your seat, steering wheel, and mirrors to ensure clear visibility and easy access to all controls. Locate the ignition button, typically on the center console, and press it while holding the brake pedal to start the engine. Familiarize yourself with the gear selector and the various drive modes available. The Audi S3 offers several drive select modes to tailor your driving experience. Dynamic mode sharpens throttle response, firms up the suspension, and enhances steering feel for a more engaging drive. Comfort mode, on the other hand, provides a smoother, more relaxed ride, ideal for longer journeys or city cruising. Auto mode balances performance and comfort, adapting to your driving style. To truly experience the S3's performance, consider using the S-Tronic transmission's paddle shifters. This allows for manual gear changes, giving you greater control over the engine's power delivery. When cornering, apply smooth steering inputs and maintain a consistent throttle. Remember, the S3's Quattro all-wheel drive system provides excellent grip, but always drive within your limits and road conditions. Proper maintenance is key to keeping your Audi S3 running at its best. Follow the recommended service schedule, including oil changes and tire rotations, to ensure longevity and performance. Regularly check your tire pressure. Maintaining the correct pressure, often around 35 psi, improves fuel efficiency and handling. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.